Oh, hi.
Hey.
Who are you voting for?
Well, judging by this election, there probably won't be an election.
Yeah, this seems so not true.
Well, our current president is hated, and with these two comedians running, I'm pretty sure the current president will just enforce martial law and remain president.
Can I make a choice?
Sure, can help you right over there.
I'm gonna do my homework. The truth is hard to hear, but not hearing the truth is far more dangerous.
Well, to each his own.
It only seems to work out when we believe in what we believe is right. You have to stand for the truth, or you fall for lies every time.